All right, we've been out here for what, 2 hours?
At least.
And Kim's got his first meg of the day.
Look at that.
This layer does not have a lot of them in there,
No, it
so
does not.
I think it's loose. Looky there. That's a good one. Why don't you just use your fingers? You can scratch it. Wow.
Yeah, that's pretty
Hey,
good.
that's not bad.
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Nice. Look at him drip and sweat. That's how hot it is out here. This is ridiculous. That was worth it.
Yeah. That's a honker of an Angustiden. Beat up, but it's big. I think it's an Angustiden because see that right there? You can see where a piece broke off. You can't really see it on that side. But that's where the cusp would be if it had one. Love finding big teeth. I just flipped up a tooth right here. Don't know if it's whole. It's not bad. It's a Mako. Check it out. That's the root of a tooth. Oh yeah. Score. Right on. Love finding the big teeth. Little megalodon tooth. Quite worn. But like I said, it is always fun to find big teeth. There's my tooth right there. Oh, it's not whole. Bummer. I am out here digging in the rain like a true idiot or hardcore collector, however you want to call it. And I got a big Mako there. Ooh, ooh. Oh, that's a pretty one. Find of the day so far. This is a nice Mako. I don't know if you can really tell in the video or not, but it's got green and gray in it. It's a pretty tooth. So I just pried this bone out. I don't know if you can see down in there, but there's a tooth. See it? Looks like an Angustiden. Ooh, that's a pretty one. Angustiden, cool lower tooth, nice dagger shape. I said it before, I'll say it again. If only they didn't have to eat. Mag tooth, baby. Oh, it's not whole, but we're still gonna dig it out slow. Give it its proper respect for being the awesome fossil that it is. Because if you pull them too fast, sometimes they just snap. So ideally you want to get the top cleared out first so there's nothing weighing it down. And then you can just lift it right out. That could have been a good one. We'll have to keep digging. Meg, obvious issues. It's so exciting to see a big tooth when you're digging it out. Take all that care because, man, it could be a killer. But in this case, it falls a little short. That looks like the root of a tooth right there. Oh yeah. Looks like an Angustiden. Pretty good. Cool little megalodon tooth. Got some burlette on it still, some serrations. Got the whole root. Can't ask for much more than that when you're digging.
All right, we're out digging. Finally got down to the layer and I seen tip.
Look at that. Hey, that looks pretty good.
You never know here.
Whoa, look at that.
That might be pretty darn good.
Oh, it's got a tip, it's got the cusps.
Tip's a little worn, but you know what?
That's a great
I
tooth.
did that. That's not bad.
Yeah, good find.
Thanks.
Honorable mention find. I didn't film it when it was on the ground, probably should have, but it was kind of broken up. This is a piece of an elephant tusk, either a mammoth or a mastodon or Gomphotherium maybe. You can tell it's a tusk because it's got these little hash marks in it right there. See them in the camera. Anyway, cool Ice Age stuff out there too. I just hit this right here. Picked it up and I'm like, oh, it's a tooth. I better film it. It's been rough going out here. Little meg tooth, seen better days. A little beat up there on the side, and the root is all scooped out in the middle. I just left the dirt in there to keep the tooth complete. Check it out. I did the flip. That's pretty good for here. That's actually really good for here. Coolness. Guess I'll keep digging in this spot, huh? Little Angustiden there. They're worn on the tip from feeding. You know they gotta eat. That burlette's in great shape though. Got a cusp over there, got a cusp over there. Some serrations, almost the whole root. Yep. I'll take it. Good find. I think this is the root of a tooth. Oh, it is. It is a root of a tooth. Nice. I gotta tell you folks, this is hard digging. So seeing anything is great. Angustiden. There's a tooth right there. Hope it's a good one. Not bad, huh? That's an Angustiden. Right out of the layer. You can tell because of the little cusps on the side. Right there and right there. That is a pretty tooth. Jet black root, killer burlette there. Good cusps on it, good serrations. Just that feeding damage to the tip. Love to find them regardless. All right, I've got a blade here. So let's see if it's good. It's not huge, but it still could be nice. Well, looky there. It's a little meg tooth, and it looks whole too. I declare. That's a cool little meg tooth right there. A little worn, but I like whole teeth. I will not complain, but I'll be grateful. I may have a big one here. Big-ish. Pretty big for here. Alright. Let's see. Well, it's got the whole blade on it, but the root might have some erosion. Well, definitely does. Still, it's a good sign though. Big teeth. Meg tooth that could have been, fell victim to erosion, time. This tooth does have a pretty cool feature. Look in the middle of the root right there. There's like a little split somehow. I don't know if that's a pathology or what that is, but it's pretty cool. Always good to look at teeth, even if they're broken, to see if they have anything interesting about them. Look what just fell out here. See that? Looks like a little meg tooth. Hey, that's pretty good. This tooth's a little worn, but I really like it. That shape is cool, that exaggerated root lobe there on the side. I think this is a lateral tooth, like from the side. Pretty good shape for lasting all those millions of years getting sandblasted. So I'm digging right down there. Layer, not much in it. About to leave, and I saw this. In my haste, I must have just tossed it out like so much rock. But it was really a nice tooth. Little Mako tooth. I'm gonna call this as a Desserai. Even though it kind of has that retroflexus look to it, it doesn't have the compressed crown like they do. Just popped out a tooth right here. Ooh. Looks like a big Angie or a lower Meg. Didn't even bring my shovel. I got the luck today. Little Megalodon tooth. I know it's worn, but I love the shape of this tooth. I just think it's a cool looking find. Flipped Angie right there. Oh, that's really good. Yeah. This is a pretty nice tooth. It's an Angustiden. Really good shape actually for that layer that it was in. Got the cusps, got the tip even, the serrations, the whole root. Yeah, that's a pretty good one. Especially for that site where everything is just beat down. No real superheroes today, but lots of teeth, lots of whole teeth. Can't complain about that. I actually got nothing to complain about. This is a great hobby. I am so lucky to be able to do it. And I'm so lucky that all y'all actually want to watch what I find. And I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't done that, please do it. Hit that little button down there. And we will catch you next time. Happy hunting.